Use a gas sampling pump that has been confirmed to be airtight. For instructions on how to inspect its airtightness, please refer to the video Inspecting the Airtightness of the Gas Sampling Pump. Break off both tips of the detector tube by using the provided tube tip breaker or the tube tip holder. Insert the tip of the detector tube straight into the tube tip breaker and rotate the tube for one full turn to scratch the surface. Hold the detector tube at a point close to the tube tip breaker and tilt the tube toward the handle to break off the tip. Insert the tip of the detector tube into the upper hollow of the tube tip holder. Turn the detector tube to scratch it with the file in the tube tip holder. Tilt the detector tube and break off both ends of the detector tube. In the case of a twin tube, break off the ends of both tubes. Connect the ends marked with a C mark with a rubber connector. Insert the detector tube into the rubber inlet with the G mark and arrow on the tube pointing toward the pump. Measurements cannot be taken unless it is inserted in the correct direction. Fully push the handle in and align the guide line on the back plate to the guide mark on the handle. For a full stroke, align the handle's guide mark to 100. For a half stroke, align the handle's guide mark to 50. 50 stands for a half pump stroke or 50 milliliters, while 100 stands for a full pump stroke or 100 milliliters. For more information on the stroke count of each detector tube, please refer to the instruction manual provided with the detector tube. Accurate measurements cannot be taken if the handle is out, or the guideline and guide marks are not aligned. Face the end of the tube toward the measurement point. Securely hold the cylinder of the gas sampling pump. In one motion, fully pull out the handle along the shaft's guideline. The handle will lock if pulled fully. Release the handle and wait until the specified sampling time has elapsed. The sampling time per stroke is shown in the instruction manual of each detector tube. If the guideline and guide marks are not aligned, then the handle will not lock even if pulled fully. The white indicator is not visible during the sampling and pops up when the sampling is complete. Once the specified sampling time has elapsed, the finish indicator on the back of the handle will turn white, indicating that the sampling is complete. After confirming that the sampling is complete, turn the handle 90 degrees to unlock it. Confirm that the handle does not retract and push it back in. For procedures that require 2 or more strokes, repeat the steps as needed. Remove the detector tube from the rubber inlet to complete the sampling. Read the sampling results on the removed tube. When the end of the color change layer is vertical, read the value at the end of the layer. In this case, the reading would be 5. When the end of the color change layer is slanted, read the value in the middle of the slant. In this case, the reading would be 5. When the end of the color change layer is pale, read the value between the end of the dark layer and the end of the pale layer. In this case, the reading would be 5. For more details, please refer to the instruction manual. GASTEC's simple measuring technology is used in offices, schools, public spaces, manufacturing industries, energy industries, construction sites, and for research and development. It is used in various fields and sites to ensure human safety and to protect the environment. It's easy to operate, allowing gas measurements to be taken anytime, anywhere, and by anyone. This is GASTEC's gas detector tube system. For every kind of gas measurement,